Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to add an email account to your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First things first, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down until you find Mail. It might take a little scrolling. Tap on Mail. Next, tap Accounts at the very top of the screen. This is where all your email accounts live. Now tap on Add Account. Here you can choose the type of account you want to add. If your provider is listed, great. Select it. If not, no worries. Just tap Other, then Add Mail Account. You'll need to enter your account details manually. In this example, let's add a Gmail account. So I'm going to select Google. This will take me to the familiar Gmail sign-in page. Just go ahead and enter your Gmail login information like you normally would. Okay, once you're signed in, you'll be asked which services you want to sync with your iPhone. If you only want your emails, just make sure the mail toggle is switched on. You can turn off the others if you don't need them. When you're ready, hit Save in the top right corner. After a few seconds, your email account will be successfully synced with your iPhone. You'll see it listed under your accounts. Now the next time you open the Mail app, you'll see Gmail listed. Just tap on it, and you can access all your emails. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This has been my personal experience setting up my email. For more detailed instructions and helpful links, check out the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.